Good morning, children. Today's chapter in GK is chapter number 16. I wonder why. In this chapter, you will learn the different reasons of many things. Now, the first one is, why don't you fall down a roller coaster? Yes, children, most of you have ride roller coaster. Now, the reason why you don't fall down, here it is. The action of a roller coaster works on the principle of centripetal force. This force acts on a body moving in circular motion and is directed towards the center. This force makes an object to follow a circular path without moving off the track. That is why you don't fall down a roller coaster. Yes, children, now you come to know. Now the second is, how does soap work to clean oil and grease? Yes, children, to clean your hands from oil or grease, you normally use soap. Liquid soap it can be, or any kind of. Now what is the reason behind this? Soap is an excellent cleanser because of its ability to act as an emulsifying agent. An emulsifier is capable of dispersing one liquid into another immiscible liquid. While oil doesn't naturally mix with water, soap can suspend oil or dirt in such a way that it can be removed. The next is, what causes an eggshell to become soft and brittle? Yes, children, you know the eggshell is very soft. The reason behind is, calcium carbonate makes up to 97% of an eggshell. It means that a high amount of calcium is needed for the development of a healthy eggshell. Lack of calcium in diet and aggression from other hens are the main causes of soft-shelled eggs in hens. The next is, how does 3D vision work? Yes, children, you all have seen 3D movies, cartoons, right? Now the reason is, the human eyes are about 8 cm apart. Because of this distance, the viewer can see two slightly different images, one with each eye. The viewer's brain then combines these two images, which gives a perception of depth. This is called binocular vision. The next is, what are parachutes used for? Yes, children, parachutes are mainly used in two ways: as a safety precaution in fighter planes and in skydiving and other similar sports. Parachutes slow down the descent of a person or objects. Yes, children, most of you have seen the political cartoons. Now, what is the purpose of political cartoons? Political cartoons can be seen in daily newspapers or magazines on the editorial pages. Their main purpose is to give an opinion or raise a point about a political event or view in a humorous way. They are intended to persuade and influence people. Next is, why do we get an image in a mirror but not on a wall? Yes, children, a mirror reflects light in a regular pattern because of its smooth and shiny surface, whereas a wall reflects rays irregularly because of its ruggedness. How do tadpoles breathe? Yes, children, tadpoles, you all know, tadpoles are aquatic creatures and can breathe and survive only in water. Tadpoles breathe through their gills by moving their throat through regular rhythmic movements known as pulsing. Adult frogs breathe through the lungs, which is again controlled through throat movements. The next is, when does a turkey's sweater change color? Every turkey has a wattle underneath its beak. A turkey's wattle is simply bare skin, and it can change from red to grey and even to white or blue if the turkey is angry, upset, threatened, or otherwise distressed. The next, why do we find it difficult to breathe at high altitude? Yes, children, when you go high, you feel difficulty in breathing. Because of low air pressure at higher altitudes, the quantity of air is less, and if the air is less, so is the oxygen. Therefore, in the deficiency of oxygen, we find it difficult to breathe at higher altitudes. Now, the next chapter is chapter number 17, History of India. Yes, children, in this chapter, you have to put a tick mark on the option which is correct, which is related with the history of India. The history of India includes the prehistoric settlements and societies in the Indian subcontinent. Given here are some questions pertaining to it. The first, which was the most revered river of the Aryans? Yes, children, Ganga. Option A, Ganga. Who ruled in North India with their capital Kannauj? Yes, children, Pratihars. Option C. Which was the famous center of learning in West India? It's Takshila. Takshila. Option B. Which metal was known to the Harappans? Iron. Option B. Which Gupta ruler had to face continuous attacks by Huns? Kumar Gupta. Kumar Gupta. Option A. Which Gupta ruler has been depicted on his coins playing the veena? Samudragupta. Samudragupta. Option A. Who was one of the Navratna in the court of Chandragupta Vikramadatta? Kalidas. Kalidas. Option A. Kushans belonged to a nomadic tribe called Mongols. Mongols. Option B. Which Greek ruler has defeated by Chandragupta Maurya in 305 BC? Yes, it's Alexander. Option C. Southern India was ruled during 10th to 12th century AD by, yes, children, Rashtrakutas. Thank you, children.